Hello everyone, I hope everyone is having a great day. Just ignore this bone loop. It did not work. It just flattens the tires. Alright, so a lot of people have been asking about how to make that tire spin, and it's really not that difficult. Just replace current if you know. So it's not going to spin on the ground. So hit F11 and pick the car, which has to spawn cube. Why is that there? Pick the car. You see a little car icon, or you can pick it here. And with the move tool, and this is the pick object selector here. So like you just pick the object, you just move it off the ground. Now that'll get it off the ground. Now what I suggest you do is hit J to pause the game and push right on the direction pad of your controller. That will basically I can't tell what's going on. That will basically reset it. So when you go in the editor and you move the car up off the ground, if you push right on the direction pad of your controller, that'll give it a new reset. So if you hit R to reset it when you're like in this mode, it'll reset it in the new location. It saves a lot of headache because sometimes they won't spawn back where you put them. Then it's just T or G, and you'll want to switch to free camera. Just T or G on the controller pad. Just T or letter G. So I hit R to stop it. Then I know, okay, it's still spinning. So I'll hit G or T, and then I'll hit R again and see if it stopped it. Because sometimes I hit the wrong key and I don't remember which one I was spinning it. Not so much with this, because this one don't spin that fast. But that's all you do. Like, let me show you how this could not work. Ways that it may not work. Spawn new. Alright, say you are in the car here. You're in this car and you are not in the tire. Alright, so I'm in the car now and I want to spin the tire. If I hit T or G, it's not going to do anything until I hit tab and I switch to the tire. Then I hit T or G. It's gonna spin it. Alright, so I hope that cleared up a few things. I'll show you one more fun thing you can do. If you have Notepad++, you can go to where the mod is, which the tire should work zipped, but I usually work in the unpacked folder. I unpack it. So we'll go into the vehicles in the tire 2, which is the Y tire, and we'll open the JBeam file. Now Notepad++, you can just load it very easily with that by just simply, I'll close these things here that are open. Now you can just take this JBeam and drag it in the Notepad++. Now if you come down here to, you see friction coefficient, that is the amount of grip that it has. Anything less than 1 will start becoming slippery, but if you change it to less than that, put a 0 first. Don't just put 0.1 or it won't load. So put like 0.1 or 0.5 or something like that. If you want to make like a change like that. We put like 2.5, and it'll really grip. Now the next thing I'll show you is right here where you see the thrusters. This is the speed. So these two control, just ignore these, but basically one is the letter T and one is the letter G. So this is the thrusters that spin one way and this is the other way. So if you change this, let's put 10,000 and I'll put 100,000 on this one. Now it's going to make the game unstable, and it probably will destroy the mod spinning that fast. But anyway, that's how you change the speed. So I'll show you all this for fun real quick. I will reset by reloading the level. You have to reload it. It won't dynamically update that mod. You'll have to reload the level. Let's see. Hitting the wrong keys, man. So you're about to see some crazy stuff here. So you're gonna spin so quick. So I lift it up off the ground. And I turn the volume up. I hear this thing probably sound like a whining. Alright, I'll stop it. Now the other way, that's 100,000. It's spinning so fast, it's stretching the damn tire. It's making, it's expanding. That's how fast it's spinning, and it's going out. Yeah, you run into that. It's gonna be crazy. That's why I didn't load it like that. It would never work.